In this video, we are going to learn how we can protect a particular range of data in Google Sheets. So the main purpose of using Google Sheets is not only online and not only convenience, but you can share it with multiple persons. That means one sheet can be worked on by multiple people. So for that, you also need some of the data to be protected so that no matter what happens, that specific range shouldn't change. So we are going to explore some of the amazing formulas like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP and all in future. But let's say that this price pops up automatically as soon as you feed in new data. So although the staff is allowed to enter the part ID, part name, category, brand, but the price should pop up automatically. And this price basically should be protected, that no one else apart from admin is allowed to change. So what we do is just select the complete range, right click on this and go to view more column actions and click on protect range. Here is this option. Click on this and you just set the permissions. You just name it protected price underscore range. Now you have the choice to set the permissions only for the specific range or an entire sheet. But this time we will only work on the range permissions. Click on set permissions and here restrict who can edit this range, only you. Or you can add custom where you are allowed to add different emails. We can also restrict like this, show a warning when editing this range. So it will allow you, but it will show you the warning that you shouldn't change anything here. So if this is a casual warning, you can just enable that. And if you completely want to restrict this, the second option would be ideal. But what we like to do is show a warning when editing this range. This is most ideal even for the admin. Click on done and the changes are saved. Now, if we try to change anything here, it says that you are trying to edit part of the sheet that shouldn't be changed accidentally. Edit this anyway. You can continue, but it is not recommended. So you just click cancel and this is a little warning sign for you. And for the other ones, if we simply change this, we can easily switch it to whatever you want. But as soon as we try to change anything from here, it will show us this warning that if you're doing it accidentally, stop right here. So let's click cancel. And sometimes let's say that you are annually updating the prices, it will show you this message. Hit enter. And maybe we want to update this time the prices for all. So we can click on don't show this again for 5 minutes. And now you should be able to change all the prices however you want. So this is very useful if you're making the changes annually. Let's say it will allow you for the 5 minutes to update all the prices without getting any warning, because if you're editing multiple cells, it might be quite annoying to every time click on this warning message to continue further. So this is very handy. So that's how you can protect the range in Google Sheets. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.